Industrial sustainability begins when we value our natural resources and do anything possible to protect them. When we optimize their use, we truly innovate. A profound investigation on environmental stability has been developed at Fabricato, and we are determined to improve it every day. We take care of the integrity of processes to deliver better textiles using less water, and this is how we are making it possible. La Garcia Forest Reserve, located 20 kilometers from our production plant, is where our focus on our water resource care begins. In 300 hectares of natural reserve, 120 are set aside for the conservation of native species, and more than 140 hectares are reforested periodically with diverse tree species to maintain the natural balance of the ecosystem to conserve our water resource. There are 33 hectares of the reserve that consist of our dam, La Garcia. Taking advantage of this resource, we guide the water through a pipe system with 646-meter fall to the hydroelectric plant, where two Pelton turbines coupled to two 3,000-kilowatt generators generating energy to meet the demand of the processes of our plant. La Brera stream is fed with water that has been through the hydroelectric plant, La Garcia. Part of the creek's water is led towards the desilting tank, where water from the La Chiquita stream is also received. After removing silt, the water is led from the intake to the water treatment plant, where we have 3 clarifiers, a control system, and laboratory with electromagnetic flow measurement systems. Operational and quality variables are also controlled to guarantee the water's characteristics to our specifications. We have 2 storage tanks for filtered water, 3 tanks for softened water, and 2 tanks for chlorinated water. Depending on need, the water is treated for industrial and domestic use and transported to our textile production plant through 3 independent networks. The dam, as a generator of hydroelectric power, and our water treatment plant has turned us into non-competing consumers with the community's water needs. Within the production plant, water is used in textile processes, cooling, steam generation, air conditioning, firefighting system, and human consumption. After passing through some of these processes, the recollected water is recovered and reused to be processed in the residual water treatment plant. This plant specializes in color removal and recirculating the water for industrial use. This allows us to reduce catchment from water sources and reduce the volume or effluent discharge to the city's company effluents collector. We ratify our commitment to the protection of natural resources. We work decisively to achieve high standards of efficient water and energy use and reduce water waste and recollection, leading the textile production of Fabricato to a zero water waste standard. Motivated by sustainability, we are contributing effectively to the conservation of the environment.